If you want to be an expert in My View board, then put your unique styles, inventive pedagogy, and teaching methodologies to work. Master the art of creating engaging and inventive lesson plans and sign up for our My View board Level 1 and Level 2 certificate programs and switch to seamless transaction of teaching and learning process in your classroom.
Here's how you can register yourself for My View Board Level 1 Educator Certificate Program. All you need to do is click on the button given right below, and this is going to be your landing page. Now, this is the landing page for My View Board Certificate Registration Form. All you need to do is scroll down a bit and enter your credentials over here. After this, you need to click on Next. Now, once I click on Next, I need to go and click on Yes button right over here and then submit this form. Now, once I've submitted, it says I need to go and check my mailbox for instructions further. So I'm going to open my mailbox for this. And you can see that I have received a mail from ViewSonic PD. I'll open this. And here is the mail. Now the mail shows 3 different forms, as you can see. This form is actually the certification test for you all. You need to complete the assessment and score a minimum of 20 marks to qualify and then get certified. The next link is the Basics of My View Board playlist that is available on YouTube. And the third is the Facebook community page, which is actually the community page for My View Board educators and educators all over the world. So this is going to be the mail instructions. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this link over here, which is the certification test link. And once I click on this, this is going to be my landing page. Now, you're actually just one step away from getting certified as My View Board Level 1 Educator. And you need to scroll down a bit. And here it's going to ask for your credentials once again. So you need to enter your email ID, the name of the organization or school wherever you're working, and your full name that you would like to be displayed on the certificate as well. Once you click on this next button over here, you will be able to see the questions for the test, and you will have to score minimum of 20 marks to qualify. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself for the certification test now and take the test. All the best, everyone.